you a fucking moron who can't fix his own car? Or are you tired of stupid fucking women mechanics? Come on down to Rick's Auto Repair Store. We'll have your car looking like this to this. Fuck yeah! Did you fuck up your transmission because you're a fucking moron? Well, at Rick's Hardware Auto Store thing, we got you covered. Here at Rick's, we only hire the most alcoholic and abusive workers. We will not hire you unless you have a domestic violence charge. Fuck yeah! Did you bring your car into Rick's and left without your catalytic converter? You brought it in that way, you fucking moron. But here at Rick's, we'll change your blinker fluid for the low price of $39.99. Fuck yeah! Are you a little crybaby bitch who cries after he leaves Rick's? Terry, take care of his ass. Fucking shoot him. Fuck yeah! And don't be a dick. Come on down to Rick's. Rick's is not responsible for any damage done to your car. So give us a call today at 1-800-GO FUCK YOURSELF today. That's right, 1-800-GO FUCK YOURSELF today.